TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts. You can't focus anymore. Your brain is rotting, one scroll at a time, and you feel it. When you try to read a book, when you sit in silence, when someone talks too slow, you reach for your phone. It's automatic. But here's the truth they don't tell you. It's not your fault. It's a design, a multi-billion-dollar machine engineered to steal your attention. It's a slot machine in your pocket, and you've been pulling the lever for years. But what if I told you? You have the power to take it back. Control. That's the word. Real focus isn't about willpower, it's about elimination. Delete the apps that own your brain. Not for a day, forever. Hard reset. Suddenly, the world gets quiet, boredom returns, and in that boredom, your mind starts to breathe again. You don't need more information. You need less noise. Your attention is the most valuable thing you own, and you're giving it away for free. Take back control, starting now. You just fixed your attention span.